फैमिली के मुताबिक है 70%. Okay. How many of you think कि 60% की thinking जो है वो family की तरफ है? Okay. What about 50% like the family? Right. And 40%? Okay. This means that 60% is individual, right? What about 30%? 30% like family. The rest is your own. 20% like family. 10% like family. 0. Family is no contribution in your thinking. या आप समझते हैं कि मेरी पूरी थिंकिंग जो है मेरी अपनी बनी, nobody in that. अब ये जो लोग 50 से कम वाले हैं, 30 और 20 वाले जो हैं, फैमिली के बारे में क्या सोचती है? ये तो हम में से है ही नहीं. क्या कहती है? नॉर्मली क्या होता है? रिस्पॉन्स क्या होता है? Adopted. Crazy उठा के लाए हुए. You're like this. Now this is something which where the individual and the family relationship comes in. That as young people, we are fully dependent on the family. But as we go on with the life, as individuals, we keep becoming independent. Family as a unit is never alone. We don't say that any family as a unit is single. It is related to others. And that is relations. The circle keeps getting bigger, लेकिन individual जो है वो उसके center में रहता है. Family related to other family units. Relations दो तरह के हैं. एक तो relatives हुए हैं, ठीक है? That you can't change. By default value they were there. The other are the relations that you make yourself. Self-made relations like your friendship, acquaintance, relations. As we grow on in life, there comes profession. और अब यहाँ पे I would say कि इससे पहले हमारा जो सारा माहौल है, individual, family, relatives, even education, एक बड़ा प्यार सा माहौल होता है और प्यार का सा माहौल होता है कि everybody is dealing very nicely with you. But when you come to profession, मैं हमेशा कहा करता हूँ कि profession जो है ये सही मानों में it's a real test of a person, of personality. आप में से अगर कोई लोग जॉब करते हैं, मेरा ख्याल है आपको पता होगा कि in a job you stand on your own 2 feet. You are known for the person that you are or you are not. जो skills आप में हैं या नहीं हैं उसकी basis पे. So then, अब ये देखें ना develop होता जा रहा है. अब ये cycle जो है ये बड़ा होता जा रहा है सारी का सारा. और ये सारा अमल सारा तमाशा कहाँ पे हो रहा है? Society. And then we come to society.